West Australian of the Year Awards have been recognising the highest level of contribution made to this great state by those born and bred here.
WA Day is our day to celebrate being Western Australian, whether that be by birth, migration, work or just visiting.
So to all the finalists, thank you for everything you do for our state. Happy WA Day.
The winner of this wonderful community award, James McMahon.
One thing about this state that's always impressed me, that there's so many people out there who do so much.
Dr. Angus Turner.
It's a real privilege to be able to work in an area where you see the precious gift of sight and can actually see the difference it makes for people's lives.
Harrison Garland.
Another key factor is the exceptional generosity and support of the West Australian community, and there are more people donating to the Proudies Foundation and sharing Warwick's story.
Is Samantha Kerr.
Samantha is such a proud West Australian. I know that she would love me to say that.
Dr. Erica Smythe, AC.
In my day, there weren't any women in geology, and they built a platform of self-confidence for me that has enabled me to pass on that to other women.
Glenn Kelly.
I've had the really great fortune to work with some really incredible people who have done some really amazing things with me.
Is Bobby Webster.
I wish to invite each and every one of you to join Perth Symphony in transforming WA through music, and quite simply put, music is life.
So here we are, recognising a supreme group of achievers and contributors. And the 2019 West Australian of the Year is James McMahon, DSC, DSM.
I'm inspired by people in this room, but I'm inspired every day by everything I see with West Australians around this state.